All right, so we're going to start talking about solving equations. All right, up till now, we've been dealing with algebraic expressions like this. 3, 4x, 2x plus 5, 3x squared minus 7, 3x, y plus 1x. I'm plugging in the number. Well, now we're going to be, instead of being given the variable, we're going to be given what it's total to, our final answer. And we have to figure out what x is. Okay. So the definition of an equation is a statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. And we indicate this by an equal sign. So here are two examples. Now, when solving equations, we have to undo the operations that are being done. And we have to work them in backwards order. So really quickly, addition undoes subtraction, subtraction undoes addition, multiplication undoes division, division undoes multiplication. We won't get to these for a while, but exponents are undone by radicals, and radicals are undone by exponents. So these up here are the main ones we're going to look at today. All right, so for our first example, I've got 3x equals 81. So I'm going to first look at what operation is being done here. Okay, well, I'm multiplying 3 times x, right? So I need to undo it. So I'm going to divide by 3. Now, in order to keep my equation balanced, I have to do the exact same thing to the other side of the equation. So if it helps, find the equal sign and draw a line so you know that you've worked both sides of the equation. Okay, the reason we're dividing by 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we're just left with x. 81 divided by 3 is 27. So my x in this case is 27. All right, let's look at another one. Okay. X divided by 7 is equal to 8. So what operation am I doing here? I'm doing division. So to undo division, I need to do multiplication. So sometimes okay, we're left with x. Those cancel each other out. 8 times 7 is 56. Let's look at our third example. We've got x minus 3 is equal to 81. So the operation we are doing is subtraction. X minus. So how do we undo? We need to add. And again, remember, we're working both sides of the equal sign. These become 0, which cancel each other out. 81 plus 3 is 84. All right, what operation are we doing here? We are adding. So to undo addition, I'm going to subtract. And again, remember, we're working both sides of the equal sign. 83 minus 4 79. All right, let's look at another one. Now notice in this one, I have 2 steps. Okay. All right. So notice in this example here, I've got 3x minus 3 equals 81. All right, in order to solve for x or to get x by itself, I need to undo, but I need to undo in the right order because I can't divide by 3 and then add 3. Okay, so if you remember our order of operations, we're going to work that backwards. We're going to start with anything that's adding or subtracting, and then anything that's multiplying or dividing. So, our 3 is subtracting from my variable. So to undo it, I'm going to add. These cancel out, and I'm still left with 3x is equal to 81 plus 3 is 84. Okay, now we have 3 times x, so we're going to divide to undo the multiplication. (84) divided by 3 is 28. All right, we'll look at one more. Okay. So looking at this one. Again, guys, we're always going to undo our addition subtraction first if we can in problems like this. (9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, my 2 is dividing to the x, so I have to multiply to cancel it out. So x is going to equal